I'm about to leave y'all.
Well, go ahead, fine.
Okay, bye. Bye. Bye, I'm leaving. Okay. Welcome back to the channel. First and foremost, how y'all doing? I'm doing okay. I'm doing good. Finally have a new camera set up, so we go see how well this works out. Right now, I'm over here at the Firestone because I have to get new tires for the car. As you can see, go down. These tires, the front is okay, right? It's not bad. But when you come to the back, yeesh, they pretty much about to be racing tires. And this one has a slow leak in it because I'm pretty sure it has a nail in it somewhere. I seen it too, but I don't know how bad it is. This tire is just as bad, and the front is good. Like the front is pretty much still good, thing, but I'm going to just change the whole tires, all 4 tires one time, because it doesn't make sense to get 2 back tires and then 2 front tires. There it goes, about to go inside. Okay, the car just finally went in, so let's see how this goes. Hopefully it won't be that much long of a wait, and we can make our way, finish running our errands, which is Walmart and so on and so forth. So I gotta say, I like this new camera setup. The camera I have, it is, let me show you. Pick up my film, do a video recording of it, and this is it. This is the camera I have as my new vlogging setup. So yeah, I like it. It's not bad at all. So Okay, so car is pretty much finished with the tire changes. So now I'm just waiting for them to finish up the little bells and whistles and bring it back out, and then I'm back on the road. So when I'm back on the road, that's when y'all see my face again. Okay, so got the new tires. See how brand new those babies look. Got all 4 tires done. So right now, pretty much, right now I'm at Walmart. So I need to get cat food, and I think that's it. Not sure, but yeah, just need cat food and everything.
Whoa!
So hopefully they're not playing no music in there, and I can record a little bit. So I remember what I wanted in Walmart, what I needed in Walmart, and that was a battery. Let me just show y'all. Battery charger and booster cables, jump start cables for the car, because I don't have any, and I don't know where they disappeared to. So yeah, I needed that. But there's a lot of people in here today, and I'm trying to see what I can get. Cat food, and that's it. And I'm getting the hell up out of here. Okay, so I'm finally done in Walmart, but I have a very, very bad habit, very bad weakness when it comes to these bad boys. Girl Scout cookies.
Yeah, I don't even care, and then I'm out.
Alright, back.
Girl Scout cookies, come and get your cookies. Girl Scout.
When I tell you, I love Girl Scout cookies. I love Girl Scout cookies. So, and they don't do it out there by the Walmart in Brooklyn. I mean, not in Brooklyn, in Queens. So, in order for you to like really get Girl Scout cookies, you got to be all the way out here, like in Long Island or down south somewhere. So, or maybe, I don't know about upstate, but maybe, but definitely, I've been trying to rack up when it comes to getting those cookies. They're so good. They're so good. So, yeah. Now, I got everything that I needed. Now it's time for me to head home and get something to eat, because I am starving. I am starving like mom. Oops. Oh, this is what I hate about New York City and a ridiculous traffic for no reason. It's gonna take me 47 minutes to get home because of a car accident. Don't make no damn sense. People just don't know how to drive in New York. I mean, anywhere for that matter, but damn. It only took me, well, it should have only took me 30 something minutes just to get here. But, because of an accident, I mean, it took me 37 minutes to get here. Should have been 37 minutes. Ah, fuck it. Okay, so, finally made it home. And now, I'm on my way upstairs. Carrying this big ass bag of cat food. So, I guess that'll be the end of this vlog for today. And this one, and the other one, and so far. I don't know what I'm talking about, but I'm out of here. Peace.
I'm gonna get really pissed. That's what he said.
That's what the teacher said?
Yes.
To who? To the whole class?
Because we're some cursive writing.
Oh, yeah, do cursive?
Yes.
You should have told him go ahead and get pissed then. I don't care. And we're back. And we're back. And we're back. And I'm back. I'm back with Josiah.
Hey.
And Jelly.
Oh.
Say hi.
Well, I'm supposed to say hi.
You don't want to say hi?
No.
Why?
Well, I sure do want to say hi. How do you do? No. I want to say hi to me. Well, you're not the one trying to say hi.
Now you want to say hi?
Hi. Your name is Diddy.
Anyway, we are on our way to Best Buy. I call that yellow car.
Wait, where?
Right there.
Oh, come on. That just looked like Bumblebee.
Yep, and I called it.
Except it doesn't have the black stripe.
Doesn't matter, I still called it.
Yeah.
And it looked like Bumblebee. So, but yeah, we're on our way to Best Buy. And gotta pick up something. And then we gotta go to Home Depot. Gotta get a hook. And then something to eat. And then back home.
Yeah.
So, that's about it. So, I guess we'll see y'all when we get to Best Buy.
Peace.
So, I got everything that I needed from Best Buy. But these children don't want to leave because they stuck on playing the game. I'm about to leave y'all.
We're going to have fun.
Okay, bye. Bye. Bye, I'm leaving. Alright, bye. I'm leaving, I'm not coming back. Alright, bye. They think I'm playing. I'm gonna leave the ass for real. Bye. Bye. Alright, I think I'm playing. Yes and no.
I can see. I can't. Oh.
You gotta look at the camera right there, ugly.
Oh.
Alright, get on my back. Let's get up. Let's go. Let me make sure I get the right thing. Extra deep.
Hey, how do you move it? No, me. Just my way. Can I try? I can see that.
Alright.
I just went up. Hey, Ty.
Oh my gosh.
Wait.
Happy?
Yeah.
Good.
Hey, look. Should I go up?
No. Cause then she gonna wanna go up too.
Go over there. Don't look at me. Don't fall on me. Should I?
Go ahead. Bye. No, Jelly. I don't want you to fall. Don't follow your brother. See? Told you. That's what you get.
Daddy,
What?
can you go there?
No, Jelly. You just see your brother just got in trouble?
Nope. Please, sir.
Kids will ask you 1,000,001 times.
When
about the same
we're
thing.
gonna move,
I said no. They still asking.
with me,
Your sister.
when we're going to move,
I don't know where you're moving.
really. Have one?
No.